Select all that are not equivalent to the sine of 5 pi over 6. So remember, sine is the y-coordinate. Let's find the y-coordinate at 5 pi over 6. So it's right here. So the y-coordinate is 1/2. I want to find all the things that are not 1/2. So let's just do all these. The negative of the sine of 480. Well, let's take out one circle. So this is the same thing as the negative sine of 120. So let's find the sine of 120. Here's 120. The sine is the y-coordinate. So the negative of that number is negative root 3 over 2. That is not 1/2. So A is one of my answers. Now let's find the cosine of negative 4 pi over 3. So positive 4 pi over 3 is here. So negative 4 pi over 3 is this same point that we were just on. And I want the cosine this time, so I'm looking at the x-coordinate. So I'm looking at this coordinate, which is a negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 is not the same as positive 1/2, so B is also an answer. Okay, the sine of negative 210. So positive 210 is right here. So negative 210 is this one. And we're looking at the sine of it. And you can see that the sine of that is that same one that we had circled. It is that 1/2. These are the same. So C is not an answer because it is equivalent, so it does not answer this question. And let's look at the cosine of 7 pi over 3. So let's do this. Remember, 6 pi over 3 is 2 pi, which is once around. So 7 pi over 3 is coterminal to pi over 3. And we're looking at the x-coordinate. So pi over 3 is here, and the x-coordinate is 1/2. And again, 1/2 is equal to 1/2. So D is also not an answer.